Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my video is how to calculate oxidation number of nitrogen in nitric acid. This is formula for nitric acid. You can see that this molecule consists of three elements. First element is hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen in this compound and in most of the compound is +1. But there is one exception for the oxidation number of hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen in metal hydrides such as in sodium hydride is -1. Second element in this molecule is nitrogen. Oxidation number of nitrogen is unknown. Third element in this molecule is oxygen. Oxidation number of oxygen in this compound and in most of the compound is -2. But there are two exceptions for the oxidation number of oxygen. First exception is peroxide. In peroxide, oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Second exception is the compound oxygen difluoride, in which oxidation state of oxygen is +2. Now come to the calculations. This is a formula for the nitric acid. First we write this formula with the space like this, so that we can easily do calculations below it. Now write oxidation number of each element. Oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. Oxidation number of nitrogen is unknown, so we will write X here. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. In the next step, we will consider the small numbers or subscripts that are given with the elements in the formula. You can see that for hydrogen and nitrogen there is no subscript, so we will write +1 and X for hydrogen and nitrogen respectively. But for oxygen there is a subscript of 3, so we will multiply oxidation number of oxygen with 3. When we will solve it, we will get +1 for hydrogen, X for nitrogen and -6 for oxygen. In the next step, we will add these numbers, and at the end we will write is equal to 0. We are writing here is equal to 0 because nitric acid is a neutral molecule, and for all the neutral molecules, the sum of oxidation number of the elements that are present in that molecule is equal to 0. Here molecule is nitric acid and its elements are hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. The sum of their oxidation number is equal to 0. Whenever you are calculating oxidation number of element in any neutral molecule, always write is equal to 0. Now this is the simple mathematical equation. You can easily solve it to find the value of X. When you solve it, you will get the answer +5, and since X is the supposed oxidation number for nitrogen, so this is the answer. Oxidation number of nitrogen in nitric acid is +5. By following these simple steps, you can easily calculate oxidation number of any element in neutral molecule. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.